我叫黄文敏。
My name is 黄文敏。
我叫曲一春。
My name is 曲一春。
My name is Yike.
My name is 蔡佳兰。
My name is Mengfan.
Hello, my name is Ming.
Hello, my name is Chujun.
In this project, Bags of Memory, I feel like the material is closer to me, it's closer to myself, and I feel like I'm being in it. I found myself really acting, really living that moment, not acting a person who's in this situation.
And nobody can hurt you. Nobody can hurt you.
And that's the most, I think, interesting discoverment of myself.
而且其实有的时候像肢体的东西，其实它是，别人给你一个动作，你就很本能、自然而然的会有另外一个很回应的动作出来，而不需要任何的思考。
And also something about the physical, the body movement was that when someone else gives you input into your body, and you have very natural reactions and you could just react it out without think anything.
家族的一些历史。
Actually, I don't know why. It just happened to me. Yeah. It just happened to me naturally.
I really have changed a lot at the last 4 days. This work of process really helped me because you still see the possibilities inside my body which I didn't see.
Sometimes I get some inspiration element from traditional like dance, then some nation dance from Thai, like that. use the arms. It's very different from the modern dance in Europe. They have many imagination of animals, of people, not focus on the energy and the power. It's very different.
When we improvise, even in improvisation, we should be very precise. Otherwise, like I throw out my hand, but I don't know what it's going to do, and then my hand just relaxed and curled, and it's very ugly. But if I know I'm going to reach there, and even though I got back, it's something that's a step towards there, and it's very specific and meaningful and beautiful.
At the very first beginning, I feel a lot of fun. But the first night, my feet and my legs are totally hurt, really burning. And that time I realized I'm alive.
在什么树林？你酒杯倾倒。
The workshop just reminded me how I have been disconnected with my tradition. Even though I lived in the country for so many years, I didn't look at it very seriously. China, there's not only one tradition, there's lots of tradition, and in lots of regions we have lots of kinds of systems of moving, of stepping, of religion.
比如用歌声，用自己的声音，其实是可以直接去做交流，不需要任何的语言。
Or that I I can use my own voice, my singing to communicate without any words or text.
元素结合起来的工作，就是像那个剧本之类的。
So I have some hopes that I can do some work in the future which could combine the traditional Chinese culture with the contemporary Chinese culture.
This workshop, is very important to me because not only reopening my energy in theater, but also teach me how to respect my partner and how to respect my tradition and to remove something of my eyes and to let me rethink, to re-traveling to other places I haven't been before and trying to ask people questions like that. What's important to you? What's your parents' story? What's your grandparents' story? Do you have some songs? Do you have something very important to you?
阳山外山。